Are you ready to get crafty? Today we're going to make an Easter wreath. What we need for our project is a paper plate, some glue and scissors, some crayons or markers, and some different colored construction paper. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our paper plate and we're going to cut out the middle circle of our paper plate so that it looks like this. Once we've done that, we're going to take a green marker or crayon, and you should probably put something down under your plate, and we are going to just color in all around the paper plate. Once we're done coloring our paper circle green, we're going to put that aside for a minute. What you want to do next is take your construction paper and cut out some egg shapes. So they look like this. Do about 8 big ones and maybe 3 or 4 little ones. And we're going to choose one of our construction paper eggs that we had cut out. And we are going to get a marker or a crayon and we're going to write Happy Easter on it. So we're going to start with a capital H for happy, and happy is spelled H-A-P-P-Y. And then we're going to write Easter. We need a capital E-A-S-T-E-R. And if you have room, you can write an exclamation point. We'll put that one aside and we'll get some more of our construction paper eggs. And you can decorate these now any way you'd like. You can do polka dots, you could do zigzags, you could draw pictures like stars and hearts, you could do swirls, you could leave some plain if you'd like. It's really up to you. You can decorate them however you want. Once we have all of our eggs decorated, we're going to set them aside. And we're going to bring our green paper plate ring back. We're going to put that down. And what we're going to do now is we're going to get our glue and we're going to start gluing our eggs on. So we're going to start with our Happy Easter one. You can put that on the bottom if you'd like, or up on the top, or on the side, wherever you would like. So I'm going to start and I'm going to put mine up on the top. I'm going to put a little glue down. It looks like this. And then you're just going to continue taking the other eggs and gluing them around your paper plate. So once we've got all of our big eggs glued on, then we can take some of our smaller eggs. Then you can just finish gluing the rest of your eggs. You can choose to do more or less if you would like around the paper plate ring. And then we have our finished product that you can hang up somewhere in your house. I bet you did a great job with your Easter wreath. I hope you had fun. I hope we get to do another craft together again really soon. I hope you have a great Easter and a great day. Bye.